Google Pixel 7 is on sale 4 months before the launch. What's up guys, back again with some more crazy info on the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, with some real life images of both the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro revealing how the device will look in real life. But first, someone is actually selling the Google Pixel 7 on eBay 4 months before the actual launch. Now, how did this happen? So seller actually reveals himself that he actually purchased the device on Facebook Marketplace and he didn't even notice that he was getting a Pixel 7 prototype. This guy actually bought it thinking he was getting the Pixel 6 Pro, and for 3 weeks he didn't even realize that it's not a Pixel 6 Pro until he notices the device acting weird and then rebooting back to the bootloader screen where it is now stuck. It is highly likely when the story of Pixel 7 prototype getting sold went viral a couple of days ago, Google may have decided to do some damage control and lock this device after all. Anyways, we also have the live hands-on images of both the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and as you can see, it's pretty similar to what Google has showed off at Google I/O 2022. And if you notice, on the vanilla Pixel 7, there's a textured aluminum bar, whereas on the Pro model, it is on a glossy shade. On the front, it is very similar to last year's Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. Even display specifications are also similar, that is 90Hz Full HD Plus on Pixel 7 and 120Hz Quad HD Plus on Pixel 7 Pro. And not just display specifications, other specs are also similar as of last year's model, other than 2nd generation Tensor chipset and a host of new software features. So yeah, that's it. That's the story of a sad man who bought it thinking it's a Pixel 6 Pro, and also real life images. Let me know what you think of this year's Pixel 7 series. There's not any major internal upgrades, just a design upgrade and a new generation Tensor chipset, and of course it's Google, so how can we forget these software upgrades? So will you consider the Pixel 7 series this year? Let me know and subscribe to the channel for more future updates, and I'll see you in the next one.